Opening a Union Bank zero balance account is pretty easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Start by opening your web browser and search for unionbankofindia.co.in. On the website, you will find different options like General and Savings Account Online Blog. Explore the page to gather all the necessary information you need. First, make sure you have your Aadhaar card handy. Your mobile number should be linked to your Aadhaar card for OTP verification. You will also need your PAN card for identification purposes. Prepare a recent scanned image of your photograph, ensuring it's within 1 MB in size. Similarly, scan your proof of address document within 1 MB in size. Scan your proof of identity document within 1 MB in size as well. Lastly, scan your signature, keeping it within 1 MB in size. When you visit the branch to open the account, make sure to carry your mobile for OTP verification. That's it. With these steps completed, you'll be ready to open a Union Bank account online.